Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Suzuki Boulevard M109R. 1800 cc's, a big bore V-twin power, fuel injected, liquid cooled, upside down shocks, twin monoblock disc brakes up front. This bike is ready to rock your world. Beautiful matte gray finish. It's got the passenger backrest. Only 7,298 miles on this gorgeous M109. Come by, make your big bore power cruiser dreams come true for just $99.99. Save thousands over the price of new. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Yeah, baby. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.